Hello dear students, today we are starting with B part of unit number 1, and that is all about the reactions. So the first thing is, what is the mechanism or reaction mechanism? Now we know that many molecules or more than two molecules, they react to form a new molecule that is some sort of we called it as a reaction. Now what is this reaction mechanism? So reaction mechanism is what it is a chemical reaction which explain the detailed description of each step of reaction. It is not necessary that we get product in only one step. We may get product in many steps. So when we study each step in a detailed form, that is called as the reaction mechanism of that reaction. And whenever reaction takes place, so generally what happens, some bond breakage and new bond forming or is takes place there. So fission means FISSION. Fission is a bond breaking phenomenon. So fission of covalent bond, whenever covalent bond get break or the fission takes place. So fission of covalent bond means it is a breaking of that covalent bond, and depending upon the atom present in the covalent molecule, means we have suppose a molecule having two atoms, and how these two atoms are there, whether they are same or both are means H bond is there, or Cl atom is there, not bond, atom is there in a bond, then they are of the same kind. But in case of HCl, H is a different atom, Cl is a different atom. H is electropositive and Cl atom is electronegative. So depending upon the type of atoms present in the molecule, the fusion takes place. According to it, the classification of the bond fission is of two types. The first one is homolytic fission, or we also call it as homolysis. Now in this fission, what happened, when breaking of the bond takes place in such a manner that the shared electron pair is equally distributed between two atoms, means whenever the bond breakage takes place between the atoms, between two atoms, one electron goes with one atom and another electron goes with another atom, and such kind of fission, equal distribution of electron takes place here, and such kind of fission is called as a homolytic fission or homolysis. As you can see that a molecule AB is there, and in between AB one covalent bond is there, where you can see a shared pair of electron, one electron pair is there. After breakage, what happened, after fission, one electron goes with A atom and another electron goes with B atom. Same happen with Cl, single bond Cl. Here also, as both the atoms they are same, the equal distribution of electron takes place during fission or breakage of bond, and each electron goes with one of this Cl. Now whenever the homolytic fission or homolysis takes place, we generally get free radical. Now what free radical is called, the atom with only one electron is called as a free radical. So after every homolytic fission or homolysis, we always get free radical as a product. Then second type of fission is heterolytic fission, or it is also known as heterolysis. Now when the molecule suppose containing two atoms, and that two atoms which are going to break or undergo fission, they are not of the same kind, means suppose we are having again we are taking example of A and B. Here A atom and B atom, they form a bond, one electron pair is shared by both the atoms, and it is now become a molecule. Now after fission, suppose B is more electronegative than A atom, then what happened? B tried to attract the pair of electron towards itself. So B becomes negatively charged and A becomes positively charged, means both the electron pair, both the electrons goes with B atom because it is more electronegative. So what form here? We get positive charge atom as well as negative charge atom. So here in heterolytic fission, the shared electron pair is carried by one atom, one bonded atom. And for example, you can see here methyl bromide is a molecule where carbon CBr bond is going to break now, or fission takes place in between this CBr bond. So here as Br is more electronegative, it attracts both the electron pair and it becomes negatively charged. At the same time, the corresponding or another bonded carbon atom, it carries positive charge. So whenever positive charge is there on carbon atom, it is also always known as carbonium ion, and bromide ion get free here. In second case, where you can see carbon hydrogen bond breakage or fission takes place, here as carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen, carbon attract both the pair of electron to acquire negative charge, and hydrogen becomes positively charged. So whenever the negative charge is carried by carbon, it is called as a carbanion. Once again, whenever positive charge is carried out by carbon, that molecule is called as, that ion is called as carbonium ion. Positive charge, carbonium ion. When negative charge is there on carbon, that ion is called as a carbanion. And this carbonium or carbanion is formed only during the heterolytic fission or heterolysis. We have some examples here again. See, ethyl alcohol is there, and in presence of acid, the carbon OH hydroxyl bond get break here, or breakage of COH bond takes place in presence of acid, and as O is more electronegative, it attract the pair of electron, and therefore it becomes OH minus, and that OH minus get fused with H plus to form water molecule, and the remaining moiety, now carbon carries positive charge, and therefore we get carbonium ion. Then acetaldehyde is second molecule. Here in case of acetaldehyde, when the fission of carbon hydrogen bond takes place, carbon being more electronegative than hydrogen attract pair of electron, and therefore it form a carbanion ion, and water molecule is get free here. So this is all about the fission which generally takes place during any reaction. So two types of fission is there. One is homolytic fission. For homolytic fission, we must have the atom in the molecule which it must be of same kind. And second, where we get free radical as a product. And in second case, that is in heterolytic fission or heterolysis to takes place, we need molecule with atoms with different kind of atoms. One atom should be electronegative, another should be electropositive, and in that case only heterolytic fission takes place, and heterolytic fission always form or gives positive ion and negative ion. So thank you.